Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves on this Friday, the 9th of July. So just capping off the week, looking at employment numbers in the US as the initial jobless claims. This is the weekly initial jobless claims came in at 373,000, which was just above market expectations. But most importantly, the economy is still they still lost 200,000 jobs pre-pandemic. So it's a sign that the labour market recovery remains far from complete. And also, before the pandemic hit, employers did not have any problems filling available employment slots, but now it does because of ongoing government benefits. So with that stopping in September, we'll see if there's going to be a spike in these unemployment data figures. So just wanted to look at the American market again today. So DXY, first of all, just looking at completing this, minor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern here. It could be that my minor wave 5 is ending here. We've hit the 200% of the Fibonacci extensions of waves 1 and 2, which is quite significant. So we could be moving lower soon, which is what's happening at the moment. But if wave 5 has finished, then we're just looking at a new direction now. If this is completed, wave C of primary wave 4 as well. But failing that, we could be in the first steps of an ending diagonal since. I'll just show you, since we've, the wave 4 has penetrated below wave 1, and now we're moving up in an ending diagonal. It could be that one of the waves hasn't completed. This could be the wave 3 of the ending diagonal for 4, and then a move higher as well. So just waiting on further signals to confirm that as well. If we just take a look on the RSI and the MACD for further signals, seeing just not too much in the way. We've got this leg here, which is looking at a slight divergence. If this drops down, like you can see it more clearly on the MACD than the RSI. So just seeing if that comes into fruition at some point, that will be quite significant as well on the dollar index. But looking at quite a bullish index in the last few trading sessions. It's coming down slightly now, so we'll just wait and see if that's going to happen in the near term at least. And I'll just go on to the euro dollar as well, just clear things up so it's a little bit easier to see. So we had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, but to complete C, I'm just waiting to see what the opportunities are for the WXY. My Y could have finished here. We still haven't dropped below the 100%, which would invalidate everything. So just waiting to see what the opportunities are. We've hit the 78.6 level. So we're waiting for signals for 4 and 5 to complete. So again, just not too much has changed for the euro dollar since the last time we looked at it. So just waiting to see the opportunities there in that respect. And once again, as I said, just completing this intermediate wave 2. That's going to make up Y and C as well. So as I say, I've hit the 78.6. So I'm fully expecting prices to start moving higher, but I'm still precarious about this invalidation here. So again, we'll see what the opportunities are there. And just to take a look on the RSI and the MACD, there is a very strong divergence on the MACD, which could pull prices lower, not so much on the RSI at the moment, as you can see here. So again, we'll see what the opportunities are, expecting prices to come down a little bit, but we'll see if we can break this previous low and then see if we can go for a full invalidation at the 100%. So just a few things to look out for. Not too much in the way of American news today, at least. There's a bit of Canadian news coming out, but nothing much in America as far as something that could shake the markets up. So we'll see what happens as we go into next week. And so that's all for the market in waves this time around. Any comments or queries as usual, or any scenarios you'd like to add to the post, please feel free, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, have a great weekend ahead, and bye for now.